Samsung's about to throw a party on July 9, and no, it's not just about foldables this time. While everyone's eyes are glued to the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7, Samsung's quietly prepping another trio to steal the spotlight: the Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Now they've already rolled out the beta for One UI 8 watch, but there was one tiny thing missing: new watch faces. They kept that part a mystery until now. And guess what? That mystery just leaked in full style, and honestly, the new faces are looking fresh. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check: over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel, it genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. Thanks to the folks over at Android Authority, we've now got our first real look at 7 new watch faces, all coming to the Galaxy Watch 8 series and the Ultra 2. Here's what made the cut: Circle Info Board, Gradient Info Board, Heritage Classic, Interactive Number, Minimal Analog, Minimal Digital, and Sporty Classic. And here's the best part: these aren't just good looking, they're super customizable too. Like, actually useful. Circle Info Board and Gradient Info Board are basically upgraded versions of what we already have, now with room for up to 8 complications. That smartwatch speak for widgets like weather, steps, heart rate, battery, you name it. Now, Heritage Classic is where things get a little fancy. It shows constellations, the sun, the moon, all synced to the actual time and date. Add in a textured background that screams vintage luxury, and it even highlights the current day, date, and month, just to show off a little. If clean and minimal is your vibe, you're going to love Minimal Analog and Minimal Digital. One's got the classic hour, minute, and second-hand layout. The other ditches the dials completely and goes full digital with bold, oversized numbers. Straight to the point. Then there's Interactive Number. Think giant numbers placed front and center, with 4 handy widgets hugging the corners. Looks futuristic, functions practical. And finally, Sporty Classic. It's got that old-school analog charm but adds just enough modern touch, like a moonface complication. Because why not? And no, this isn't just for the new watches. Samsung's planning to roll these out to older Galaxy watches that support the One UI 8 watch update. You might need to wait a little after July 9, but the good news is you won't be left out of the fun. So, which one's your favorite already? Let me know in the comments, because honestly, I can't decide between Interactive Number and Heritage Classic. That's all for now. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and stay techie.